What's up guys, it's Kobe with Apex Offroad. We've got a Tacoma in here today for our Bilstein 6112 package. Customer ended up upgrading to 5160s in the rear with an Icon add-a-leaf and SPC Upper Control Arms. And I just wanted to talk about why we recommend these SPC Upper Control Arms. First thing is the adjustability. It really helps us dial in the alignment. So the SPC Upper Control Arm alone has an extra 2 degrees of caster built into it. And then you can actually put this ball joint in here with this plate, and by rotating it around in the plate, it actually changes the caster as well. One common misconception that people think is by adding more caster, you get more tire clearance at the body mount and the firewall. This isn't always the case, especially if you're getting more caster with the upper control arm, because increasing caster with the upper control arm actually pulls the tire back. With these ball joints, we're able to dial in the caster without sacrificing that clearance. And it also makes it super nice as far as getting the alignment dialed in, because we are actually able to also adjust camber at the top by sliding it in that slot there. Another common misconception that I've heard people say about SPCs, or things that people are worried about with SPCs, is this top nut coming loose and that sliding back and forth in there. These top nuts torque to 200 foot-pounds, which is more than almost everything else in your entire suspension. I personally have these upper control arms in my truck and have jumped it, taken it crawling, all kinds of crazy stuff, and I've never had these come loose and slide in there, with them being torqued to that 200 foot-pounds that SPC recommends. So another nice thing is you get the X-axis bushings in here, which allow us to tighten the control arm with the vehicle in the air, because they actually rotate inside of themselves instead of on the bolt. It's a little bit better than like a polyurethane bushing or a rubber bushing, where your bushing is actually rotating over the top of the bolt. These ball joints are also a high angle ball joint because of the housing. So you can get a lot of travel out of these. If you're running like extended travel coilovers or whatever, these aren't going to limit your down travel that those coilovers are allowing you to get.
Okay guys, just an overview on this YouTube video that we filmed, left the audio out, so we're going to refilm it to show you guys because it's that important. But here on the SPC ball joint, you can see that there is now a groove right there. There is a spring or a load of pressure inside this rubber bushing or fitting that keeps it in that spot. Before, it could slide up and down, oil could come out of it, all sorts of stuff. Then you can see that there is then a flat area before it starts to become the cone shape. That area now, the spindle will come up to about right there and will never actually touch the rubber portion. And the reason that's important is because contaminants will get caught in here. When they did touch on the old design, they would crack, they would spew oil, caused a lot of issues. Now, the rubber boot is pressed all the way up and out of the way, and the spindle only comes up to about here, leaving an 1/8 inch gap where you can clean it. Contaminants can be cleaned out while still giving you a great maintenance-free ball joint. The other thing is you can see here that they eliminated the ability to add grease because they already added all the appropriate stuff. They did a polyurethane bushing, which you can feel because, oh, this one's really tight, but it flows significantly smoother than a stock OEM joint. Then with this setup here, depending on the joint, you can see here that this washer has a star pattern on it, which allows you to adjust this thing in whatever fashion we need to be able to nail and perfect the alignment for your vehicle. This is specifically important if you have large tires, or you want the axle pushed forward, or you're trying to clearance things. This is the ball joint that you want.
But yeah, we sell a lot of these. They're awesome control arms, tons of benefits. I personally don't see a whole lot of downside. Ball joint's super easy to replace. Bushings are replaceable, so you can rebuild your SPCs over and over and over again without ever having to buy new ones. So they're really good control arms. We always recommend them. If you guys want to get some for your Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra, whatever, we've done them on a few Fords as well. Give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to help you out.